We're at Legoland, New York's new Peppa Pig's playground. How cute is this? Look at how...
Remember that game? Do you remember it?
Oh, that is so cute.
Daddy picked it. Come on, let us run. Come, Daddy picked it up. Can I go in there?
Yeah.
Daddy picked it. What? Where's Charlie? Charlie, where is he going? Charlie! Charlie, can I show you something? Come on. Go to the playground. Charlie!
You driving? Oh, look, you can build over there.
Yeah, you can build over there. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. This is pretty neat playground. Ooh, so soft, squishy under my feet. Oh, we have slides, have swings.
I wish this was a higher swing, bro. But I love this playground.
Really?
Yeah, I like babies. I haven't literally seen a baby.
Oh, there's my buddy over there. Hi, buddy. No, you cannot go in the baby one. Only one per slide. Give Brie Brie a chance.
We're just so low. I want a bigger swing. Fine, but only for size. Only for children.
Wow, it's so much fun, right, Brie Brie?
Yeah, so someone has to push me.
You can use your legs to push out. And there's Daddy drinking his